God. Big head on you. The funniest thing ever happened 2 weeks ago when I was in Japan. I got a message and somebody was doing a massive graffiti piece on the side of a supermarket here in our city. So every year they do this thing in our city called Waterford Walls, where this group, they do a really nice thing where they bring over graffiti artists and they pay them to do really nice pieces on the side of like walls around our city just to brighten up the inner city. And somebody came over from Amsterdam. They're actually originally from Ireland. And they decided to paint me on the wall, which I think is crazy. I've managed to get my hands on the key because the street was pedestrianised. So my mother knows a few people that are in the local council and they gave us the key. So I'm going to drive my 86 in this morning and lift the bollards and bring the car down and get a photo of it with the graffiti piece. So. Solid, man. Oh my God. Nice. I'll say these have been up in a while. Absolutely not.
Alright, you'll definitely make that. Aye, easily. Yeah, oh yeah, that's better.
Have the elbow though. Head fully out like that.
Fully out.
Big head on you.
I don't look as possessed in real life though, do I?
No, well I hope not. You made it.
Oh my God. No, I'm not giving a thumbs up around though, am I?
No, you're just casual.
I'm just casual.
As always.
He's not pretty casual at all though.
So yeah, we dragged you out of bed to come down. We got loaned the key because this road is now pedestrianised. You can't get in from this side because there's a trolley.
Full of bottles.
But this is the side of Aldi in Waterford, just down by the Glen. And this graffiti artist, Stalo Skeets, lives in Amsterdam. He even wrote my name here. Check it out. One for Neil. So this is pretty wild. I had absolutely nothing to do with this. This just appeared and everybody started sending me pictures of it. It's kind of funny. I'm immortalised on the side of an Aldi.
On the Glen.
On the Glen in Waterford. That's actually hilarious, like. So. So funny. Thanks very much.
Proud of you.
So yeah, we have like less than a few hours. I've got to give back the things to put the car or the bollards back. So that's funny. It's funny what a car can do. I don't look as possessed though, sadly. I can't do any rings here or really much, so for anyone that ever asks, it's not really possible. I don't really want to do any burnouts because there's like a lad looking out the window at us already, so. So, yeah. Cool, right. I get a couple of phone pictures and we get the fuck out of here. It's kind of cool. I didn't even think I'd get a chance to be able to drive the car down that alleyway. Pretty epic, Stalo Skeets to just do a big graffiti piece of me possessed driving my 86. My family think I'm famous now, which is hilarious. So, yeah, thank you for that. Everyone in my family honestly thinks I'm a somebody now. They're like, whoa, this guy must be cool if he's getting painted on a wall. I can't believe it, but it's actually a year of full-time Juicebox YouTube. I figured it'd be cool to make this video just even just for myself to look back on in a few years, because to me it's incredible that I've actually made it one whole year self-sufficient with this channel. I couldn't have done it without the help of everybody that watches the channel. It was a year full of joy, a year full of challenges. There was a lot that I've learned. There's a lot I thought I could do that I probably couldn't do and stuff, but yeah. It's funny, the gigantic mural of the 86 on the side of an Aldi in our hometown made me famous for a few days amongst family members and people in our city. So suddenly they thought that maybe the YouTube thing wasn't the dumbest idea in the entire world. Thank you so much to Stalo Skeets for painting me on a wall. He made all my uncles and aunties and people in my family and other people that I know they thought like, wow, okay, maybe what Neil is doing is kind of cool. So thank you so much for that, man. Honestly, it meant a lot.
I just thought it'd be funny to put it in this video because yeah, it's mad. It's mad that somebody did that. I'm really proud that I survived a year and I've managed to do some cool stuff this year. I'm still stuck behind with a backlog and I'm trying to work my way through it as quickly as possible. I'd ideally like to be a few months behind with the videos and not far back as we are. So yeah, that's my biggest goal over the next few months because I have a lot of really cool projects I want to release on the channel. Also, I've just released our online store for Christmas. I got a restock of stuff that we had and yeah, it's going to be live for the next few days. So if you want to grab something from the store, it's live right now. There's hoodies, t-shirts, there's key rings, air fresheners, stickers. Also, I've appreciated everybody that supported on the Patreon over the last year. It's really because of the Patreon that I had the guts to jump into this full time, because Patreon has somehow given me like a monthly wage by people contributing, and honestly, to everybody that's done that, it means so much to me. I guess this is now my full-time job, so like it's kind of scary. Like I used to just have a safe paycheck from JDM Distro, but now it's like, oh crap, you know, if like a video doesn't do well or like ad revenue or whatever, it's pretty fucking scary, to be honest. Like, you know, some of the last few videos haven't done great and you're just like, oh my God, it's yeah, it's a different ball game doing this full time. You know, it's created a level of anxiety, but it's also quite rewarding when stuff does well. So I do really want to thank everybody that's helped out on the Patreon over the last year. That's kind of given me a safety net to explore stuff and take the pressure off when I'm making the videos. Yeah, if you want to support Juicebox, either through buying the merch or, you know, if you want to support on the Patreon, if you met me in a pub somewhere or the lads and you were like, hey, I'd love to buy you a pint, every month you could pay, I guess, the price of a pint towards keeping Juicebox alive. This is my full-time job, and if you appreciate the work that I've done, consider supporting on the Patreon. If you can do it, that'd be super fucking awesome, because I want to do like weird rabbit hole stuff on like chassis and things like that. I feel like stuff that's kind of lacking on YouTube and that, and I feel like, you know, it's probably a little bit niche. I know that Juicebox has kind of gotten nicher over the years because we're not keeping up with the YouTube trends, but yeah, the Patreon thing has been a godsend. If you can't afford any of that stuff, I know some people don't have the disposable income, and that's completely understandable. The people that are paying for everybody. I will always have this free on here. It's not going to be behind any sort of a paywall. So thank you to everybody that has supported over the year through buying stickers or through the Patreon, or even just through clicking and watching some of the ads that get popped up. The USA thing was completely insane. Guys, to everyone that supported on that, like, thank you so much. We really made like memories that will last a lifetime for that guy. The response was amazing and it just couldn't have worked any better. That's the sort of stuff I want to do with Juicebox. I want to do more of that stuff. And like I said, through all these revenue streams, I'm never going to be rich from this. Like somebody said that in a comment, and they're true. I'm just happy to exist and give back to the culture that's given me so much over the years. Like that's like literally the stuff that makes me so happy. This is pretty cool. Speaking of like, you know, t-shirts and merch and that, USA sent me the last ever front row t-shirt that he had. It's fucking so cool. Look at that. It's from 1992. So he had this in storage and he sent it to me, which is insane. I don't know. Can you see it? So cool. He also sent me these, which are some of the very last front row stickers that he had from back in like 92, 93. Unbelievable. Like this is insane. And then to go a step further, he went to the very last round of Formula D Japan in Okayama a few weeks ago, and he sent me this then. This is amazing. So he got an FD Japan flag and he got it signed by everybody that he knew, and he was nice enough to make, look, this is his VIP pass from looking around at Formula D Japan, and he actually made a list then of everybody's signatures that are all the way around on the flag, corresponding with the flag, which is so cool. All the people I was talking to him about, like, so he got Yoichi Imamura to sign the flag, Kazama, Battle Magazine photographer Watanabe, Koichi Yamashita from Run Free, and he got a Battle Magazine editor-in-chief, Takahashi. I don't know. Like this is the kind of stuff that just absolutely blows my fucking mind. US, I don't know if you'll watch this, but man, thank you so much. Like this is insane. This is like overwhelming stuff. I'm so happy that we could make him happy. Like it truly made him happy to come over here and do that stuff with us. And like, I think it's the coolest thing I'll ever do with Juicebox. I really do. David from Import Bible, I don't know, some of you guys, definitely North American viewers will know about Import Bible, but I've always admired David's designs and his brand Import Bible. They've been around as long as Juicebox, and we started chatting over the last while, and he had seen that you know, I was crazy about the license plate seal that goes on the back plate that I talked about in the 86 video. So David's actually selling these so you can put them on your car. They're called Import Bible license plate seals. So instead of doing the dangerous thing that I did, like essentially stealing one from Japan, you can buy them. You can buy them from David, and you can get all different prefectures. And what's really, really cool about these, which I think is amazing, is you stick this on your plate, and then it's magnetized. So, you know, it's not the stupid thing that I did, because mine could break at any moment. So thank you, David. He sent me these, and these are for Sapporo, and I've got an upcoming project from Sapporo that I'm going to share on the channel over the next couple of months that I'm really looking forward to sharing. So this is a little teaser for what's coming. David also sent me this, which is insane. So this is his latest creation, and it's called the Melody Box, and it plugs into your cigarette lighter in your car, and it's powered by the power in the car. So when it powers up, it literally will just play a note like a ETC. Check it out. Powered by Toyota. And there's so many different presets on it. So I have it set to powered by Toyota, but he has sounds from Family Mart, like it's got an ETC thing on it and stuff. So you can actually, man, I don't know, it's so insane that he's made this. Like, what a cool little device. Unbelievable. Family Mart song, Don Quixote. How cool is that? Like, ETC card. If your car is powered on and off each time you get in, then you could have this hidden somewhere to be an ETC sound. I love this anyway. David, thank you so much for sending me this Melody Box. He's actually worked his ass off making this thing, and I think it's super cool. Between that and like the license plate seals and stuff, like, honestly, I think that stuff is so cool, and I love that somebody in the community is making this stuff and thinking about stuff, and is also as nerdy as me and has the capability to make really, really cool stuff like this. So yeah, amazing. He also sent me something that might be, whoa, some really nice Import Bible t-shirts as well, which are actually collaboration t-shirts with a shop called Foosh, which used to be right across from where I lived in Edmonton. But super cool, based on Hot Version. So cool. David is gifted at drawing. He's always been great. I've bought t-shirts off him over the years, and I'm really hoping to collaborate with him on some designs in the new year. So David, thank you so much for sending me this stuff. I couldn't not put it in the video, like, because it's incredible. Like, this Melody Box is fucking so cool. Like, how cool is that? Like, so yeah, if you're looking for a little box that plays the ETC sounds and plays all sorts of other stuff, you can hide this in your car and make it seem like literally like an ETC. Speaking of collaborations, over the next few weeks, I'm going to be releasing a collaboration that we did. Monster Energy Ireland decided to sponsor a video project on the channel, which I thought was super insane that a massive brand would reach out like that. They asked like what we wanted to do, and I decided to throw an idea at them to maybe compete in a key car endurance race, and they thought that was a cool idea. Monster called down and we did some donuts around a massive can. None of us have ever seen this inflated then. This is great. It's mad how it has its own little fan built in. Mad. We'll just tie it to the generator, kind of to the side of it or something. Yeah. Holy shit, boy! Killed by gigantic monster can. I reckon there's the best spot. Wow, a massive thing. It's fucking huge. Look at the size of it.
that was great. Faded away just like your 86 ownership. This is just fading off into the distance.
The dream is gone.
The dream is gone. What you reckon?
Hey, it does ring. The good tires from 2009.
Yes. First actual proper rings in the 86 were done around an absolute monstrous can of Monster. Get in. Oh yeah, you're a natural. It's funny, like doing donuts around a fucking 30-foot Monster can. I don't know, what a random hilarious thing. Over the next couple of weeks, I'm actually working on it at the moment. I'm going to be releasing this video project, and it could be a few videos, but essentially Monster helped fund flying me and Flip out to Japan to compete in a 10-hour key car endurance race at Fuji Speedway, and it was truly one of the coolest things I've ever done in my whole life. I was honoured that a big company like Monster were willing to take on something very niche like that and very Juicebox. I just said I'd make this kind of in-between video while I'm making that stuff. Lads, I always say it on here, but like this means a lot to me. Like the last year has been difficult and scary, but very rewarding when things work out, and I've done a lot of really cool stuff. And yeah, I just want to keep doing it. It's scary and also amazing that I get to wake up every day and go, wow, this is my job. Okay, shit, let's do this. And yeah, the fact I'm able to call myself a YouTuber and I've survived for a year is just, I'll always be proud of that. If there's anything that's lacking on the channel or things you'd like to see more of, I want to know what you would like to see more of on the channel too, because this channel is kind of like, you know, it goes both ways. I don't want to be just banging stuff out for the sake of it. If there's anything you think that you'd like to see more of on the channel, or things that you think are missing that haven't been on it in a while, and that, please feel free to throw it in the comments below. I'm always open to suggestions. I've got a couple of new projects coming up on the channel that I'm going to unveil very soon. I just want to get these videos out of the way first. And yeah, as always guys, thank you so much. I really do mean it. Thank you for allowing me to do this full time, at least get this far with it. And it's been an absolute crazy journey that I was able to do this. So thank you so much for tuning in every week. Yeah, like some of the last few videos haven't been doing great on the channel, and yeah, it just kind of gives me like serious anxiety. Has my moment in the sun passed, you know, with the 86 and stuff like that, or what? I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm going to just keep making stuff. I'm going to go hard at it for the next year with the channel, because yeah, if I give it everything and it doesn't work out, at least I can say I gave it my best shot, and yeah, I won't have any regrets. So yeah, either way, I'm so happy to be doing this. Honestly, this means so much to me, and thank you for enjoying the nonsense over the years. Thank you for a year of full time with this channel. Honestly, it's insane that I'm actually able to say this. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Thank you so much for watching as always. And yeah, I'll shut up now. So goodbye everybody. See ya. Cool. All right. Goodbye everyone.